Students, today we will discuss lesson 11 and that is natural disasters in India. So, first of all, I like to share that what is the natural disaster, the calamity and the catastrophe like earthquake. What is an earthquake, students? The sudden shaking of the earth is called earthquake. And how the frequency of earthquake is measured. There is an instrument called Richter scale. With the help of Richter scale, we measure the frequency of earthquake. And then there is another natural disaster that is called tsunami. Tsunami. The word tsunami existed from Japan. It is a Japanese word and T is silent. Okay. So tsunami, that is also a natural disaster or calamity. And the third we are talking about is flash floods. Flash floods, due to floods, most of the people lost their life and property. Okay, that is also a natural disaster or calamity. And super cyclone, that is the cyclone that arise, they cause a great loss to humans, animals, and sometimes they also appear as natural disaster. And famine. What is famine? Children, you might have heard drought. That is scarcity of food and water. That is called drought or famine. So these are the major natural disasters that we face. Okay. So now we will discuss about some major natural disasters that occurred in our country. So student, look in your books, see page number 120. The first natural disaster that we are talking about is Gujarat earthquake. So students, you might have read the lesson and you have watched the former videos that I have given, and I have taught this chapter on Zoom app also. So it is a revision part. So which was the city that faced this earthquake in 2001? And the year was 2001 when there was earthquake in Gujarat. And what was the city which was the sufferer? Bhuj. Bhuj was the city. And what was the density of the, or you can say frequency of the earthquake? It was 7.9 on the Richter scale. And most of the people lost their lives, and almost you can say 20,000 people were dead and 1.5 lakh people were injured because of this natural calamity in Gujarat. And it occurred on 26th of January when our country was celebrating our Republic Day. Okay, so this natural disaster caused a great loss to city Bhuj, that is in Gujarat. Next, the Indian Ocean tsunami. That is the Indian Ocean tsunami. Children, I have already told you that what is a tsunami. Giant huge waves that occur in the ocean, they cause tsunami. Okay? And it is a Japanese word. And T is always silent. Okay? So this natural calamity or disaster occurred in 2004. And its frequency was 9.1 on the Richter scale. Okay, and which were the suffering countries? Thailand, India, Indonesia, Burma were the major sufferers of this tsunami. And what were the states that were affected by this natural calamity? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh. These were the states which were severely affected. And almost 2 lakh people lost their lives due to this tsunami, because the waves were so powerful that the sea was on the coast were carried and found many kilometers inland. And third, we will come to Uttarakhand flash floods 2013. It occurred in 2013 in June. Okay, and the states which were the sufferers were Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and most of the pilgrims who were for Kedarnath were trapped in this calamity. Okay, and over 55,700 people lost their life, and most of the people who were not prepared of this calamity What was the reason behind it? That was the carelessness of meteorological department. And some people also considered that terrible floods were responsible for such kind of disaster. Okay. Next comes Odisha super cyclone that occurred in 1999. Okay. So in 1999 in Odisha, a powerful cyclone became the cause of deaths of so many people. Almost you can say more than 10,000 people lost their lives and 3 lakh houses were ruined. It was also called the Paradip cyclone, or it was also named as super cyclone. Okay. Now we move to the Bengal famine. Okay. This Bengal famine occurred in 1943. This was the year when there was a famine in Bengal. And what is famine, children? What is famine? You can drought. You might have heard the word drought. Drought, that means scarcity of food and water. So the same is famine. Okay. So in 1943, when the world was facing the Second World War, it was raging in Europe. What do you mean by raging? Continuing with great intensity. So this was the natural calamity, famine, which occurred in Bengal and in 1943, and it resulted to death of so many people, and most of the people died because of some diseases spread during this calamity, and most of the people died of starvation due to lackage or scarcity of food and water. Okay. Next we move to Latur earthquake. Okay. That is given in your book on page number 120. So in 1993, what is Latur? That is a district in Maharashtra. And this earthquake measured 6.2 on the Richter scale. So, and what was the death rate? More than 10,000 people lost their lives and 30,000 people were injured. And it is believed that some villages were completely destroyed in this natural disaster. Now we'll move to Koryanga cyclone. Okay, it occurred in 1839 and it was the most powerful cyclone recorded in the Indian history. And what is Koryanga? It is a busy seaport in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and due to this cyclone in 1789, this seaport got destructed, and it resulted in the death of 20,000, more than 20,000 people. And after its recovery, bigger cyclone in 1839, which destroyed the place, and almost 3 lakh people were dead. Okay, so students, Koryanga still remains a small village, and unfortunately it could not get its former shape. Okay, that means it still remains a village and it couldn't become again a busy seaport like it was previously or earlier. Now we'll move to Kashmir flash floods 2014. Continuous torrential rainfall in Kashmir Valley caused floods that resulted in the death of 500 people, and 2,600 villages in this area were ruined and destroyed, and the